CBR, 3 days soaked, 4 day dry. Correct? 10 mm. Now it is latest code, it is M7 at 70. As per the
unconfined compressive strength and normal compressive strength.
This is
Unconfined compressive strength and normal compressive strength.
actually unconfined compressive strength. Normally we speak in the case of CTB or cemented base or something. But compressive strength we speak actually UCS means it is a cylinder core strength. If you multiply by 1.25, then you will get a Q strength. UCS means it is a cylindrical strength, not Q strength. Standard height is given value as per UCS IS 2720. But compressive strength means 150 by 150. It is also unconfined. Both are unconfined. आपके मन में क्या होगा? आप दोनों ही अनकन्फाइंड है. उसको क्यू बोलेंगे, इसको सिलिंड्रिकल. ठीक है सर. नाउ डीएलसी कैसे कास्ट करते हैं, जस्ट थ्रू वीडियो ही आपको दिखाते हैं, फिर टेस्टिंग कर लेते हैं. देखिए सर, डीएलसी का लिंक सेम बीबीएम पेपर है ना. यू टेक वुडन ब्लॉक्स, देखा है ना. ये देखिए स्टेप्स आपको बनाने, वहां से फिर कट करना है आपको. That 1 meter portion. So 150 mm thick. You can see not too high slump. It should be compatible with roller. No roller mark. No roller mark. है ना? Same paper. Sensor wires. Loose कितना रखेंगे? कैसे चेक करते हैं? Take a cylinder. Fill with the loose quantity. So height 300. Then compact, then check. Suppose it was 300 first, then suppose it is 200. So 100 mm loose extra रखना पड़ेगा. Yes. है ना? तो compaction factor से भी निकाल सकते हैं. How much extra, और by 10 trial से भी आप लोग कर सकते हैं. है ना? You have to adjust somewhere ना. अब 150 के लिए आप तो 160 या 170 रखना पड़ेगा ना सर. वो एक दो बार ट्रायल करना पड़ेगा आपको. Plus minus 10 mm is allowed. Undulation, unevenness, plus minus 10 mm in the case of DLC and plus minus 5 or 6 mm in the case of PQC. ठीक है सर. Now how to repair DLC? आधे मिनट की वीडियो है. How to repair DLC? Any undulation less than 10 mm, no need for repair. Any undulation 3 meter straight edge more than 10 mm, same DLC aggregate, compact it and check the 3 meters. So they are repairing. है ना? ये भी आपका ही प्रोजेक्ट है मेरे ख्याल है. आपका क्या नहीं? कर्नाटका का है. चलो. Now how to cast tube? DLC का tube कैसे कास्ट करेंगे? You have to take a vibratory hammer. The DLC lane. ठीक है ना सर? DLC lane. Area, plate area, 30 to 40 kg weight. You have to do the hammer for filling the tube. Loaded vibration. You have to take loaded vibration. Now, sample. 3 sample out of 1000 square meter. 3 sample means out of 150 cubic meter. 1000 square meter into 0.15. तो 150 हो गया कि नहीं? तो PQC 150 में से एक सैंपल और डीएलसी 150 में से 3 सैंपल. इसको चेंज करने जा रहे हैं लोग, क्योंकि होना रिवर्स चाहिए. होना, इट शुड बी रिवर्स. हियर 1 सैंपल 3 सैंपल, आइदर इट शुड बी 1 सैंपल हियर, बट इट इज ओनली फॉर 7 डे. 20 डे नहीं करते, उसमें 7 डे भी 28 डे भी. दूसरा क्योरिंग कंपाउंड डीएलसी विड्थ 750 extra than PQC. If your PQC is 7 meter, the DLC will be 7 plus 1.5 this side, or sorry 0.7 this side, so 1.5 meter extra. Compaction factor 98%. DLC. Compaction factor 98%. No roller mark. No roller mark. Wash. 7 day strength. Or after 7 day only you have to do the testing. You have to cut core also. to find out the compaction factor by density method and by cell replacement method. दोनों से कर सकते हैं. You have to cut cores. Every 2 किलोमीटर 1 core PQC और DLC में से. दूसरा curing compound 200 gram per square meter, 0.2 liter per square meter. Please read only the red box. 0.2 liter. If you don't want to use curing compound, then 7-day curing. If you are doing curing compound, either aluminium based or wax based, then 3-day curing. Covered with wet acid cloth up to 3 days. Now we are deleting this. In the revised code, we have removed this aluminium based wala. Only wax based we have put. Because wax based here, it gives better results. If you are doing soil stabilization, minimum CBR after soil stabilization should be 15% to achieve 9 up to the design level. If you are having a blackman soil, you cannot take a boro soil. Do 2% lime or 3% lime or 7. Then your minimum CBR for the subgrade is 15%. IRC 15, page 16. ठीक है sir. Now 150 micron. Right side new, left side old. Right side IRC 15 2017. Left side 2013. ठीक है सर. Polythene sheet. Water absorption in the revised Morse book, there is a change. In place of 2 for DLC, it is 3%. In IRC 15 also, revised code from 2 to 3 is the water absorption for DLC. But for PQC, it is only 2%. For PQC, only 2%. So everywhere you can find the class number, page number. Now, earlier you were having a 15:1. Now in the revised code, it is coming 14:1. Because now less cement is there. If they say you can actually for you add 110 whatever you want to add, but now 14:1 to have a more safer road. PQC should be laid only after 7 days. Whether you do curing for 3 days or because your strength, we have to check only after 7 days. So PQC should be laid only after 7 days, whether you do curing of DLC for 3 days or 7 days. It is written in the code also, if you do 2 layers of curing compound, then polythene sheet is not needed. It is also written there. If you do polythene sheet, then you can avoid this also. Wet acid cloth with the. So right side. Now coming to the PQC portion, you can see in the revised code, there are 3 codes. IRC 15 and pocket book, no difference. IRC 15 published in 2017. Pocket book has published in 2019. Morse has published in 2013. In these two, IRC 15 and pocket book, no difference. Here old cements are given. Here new cements are given. Here IS 269 for 4353. Same thing in the pocket book. Okay? So these are changes which I have shown you in both the side. Here 20% fly ash. Here 25% fly ash. Either I have shown you 25% fly ash. Next. Now, if you see PQC,